Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make another Filipino treat, the Filipino Coconut Macaroons. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's get baking!
The ingredients that we will need are 1 can condensed milk, 2 cups desiccated coconut, 1/3 cup unsalted butter softened, 1/4 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. In a bowl, add the desiccated coconut and plain flour. Mix them together and then set this aside. In another bowl, add the butter and using a whisk, cream the butter. By the way, make sure your butter is soft enough so you will not struggle in creaming it, or you can also use hand mixer or stand mixer. Add the white sugar and cream them together. Then, add the 2 eggs. Then the vanilla extract. And then, add the condensed milk. Now, add in the dry ingredients and using a spatula, pull them together until well combined. Line the pan with mini cupcake liners. Now, using a mini ice cream scoop, fill each liner about 3/4 full of the mixture. Then, bake this in 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let this completely cool before serving. And here's our finished product! Filipino macaroons is soft, chewy, delicious, and very easy to make. I hope you'll give this a try. Look at that!
Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!